Hello fam, welcome to Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. As usual, please do well to like, comment, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to stay tuned on the latest. Today, we'll be dealing with the health benefits of consuming yam. Before we do that, we would be strolling down a little bit memory lane on the history of the new Yam Festival in Nigeria, as I promised in our last encounter. Nigeria is a country blessed with beauty in diversity, with several forms of farm produce necessary for good health of mind and body. The New Yam Festival is an ancient spiritual harvest festival celebrated in Nigeria, particularly among the Igbos and other agrarian communities, to thank God and deities for a bountiful yam harvest and ensure future fertility of the land. It marks the conclusion of the farming season and the consumption of the first harvested yam, traditionally by a community elder or king, followed by communal feasting, traditional dances, masquerades, and prayer. The festival fosters community spirit, strengthens cultural identities, connects people to their ancestral roots and the spiritual focus governing their agricultural success, as well as fosters family bonds. No wonder yam is called the king of crops in Nigeria. When I was much younger, my father, Ezudo of blessed memory, had a farmland at our backyard. He specialized in planting yam. My mom planted the yellow yam, which we call una, as well as potatoes. My auntie planted the corn and other vegetables, while I planted tomatoes and pepper. When it was time for harvest, my dad's farmland was very fertile. It produced so much that during that season, we hardly had to go to the market for any purchase. The yams were usually short in size, not so fat anyway. The highlight was when my dad would roast them and serve it with palm oil and salt. We would sit under our mango tree and savor its unique taste as a family amidst prayers and thanksgiving. No wonder I love yam so much. Now, this new Yam Festival is gradually being adopted by neighboring African countries like Ghana. In the eastern parts of Nigeria, where this festival originated from, it is called Iriji Ohoro or Orureshi in Idoma language. Please feel free to add yours in the comment section. Yams are seen as a symbol of life and prosperity, and thus, in the olden days, when a man harvested enough yams from his farmland, he would be coronated with a title called Ezeji, meaning king of yams. Many maidens would want to marry such a man because they believed that they would not lack food. This festival is held every August yearly. Now, with so much drama that heralds this king, one would ask, what are its health benefits? First, yam is rich in dietary fiber, essential for promoting healthy gastrointestinal tract and aiding in food digestion, ultimately preventing constipation. Yam is a rich source of energy and derived from its complex carbohydrates, ideal for physical activity. So if you're into sports or exercises, which you should be involved in as a member of this great food family, you might want to add yam to your menu. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and complex carbohydrates in yam can help stabilize blood glucose levels, making it a suitable food in moderation for individuals managing diabetes. So fellas, the key word here is what? Moderation. Don't forget that. Heart support. Potassium and magnesium in your yam contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, while the fiber helps lower bad cholesterol. Immune boost. Yam is a good source of vitamin C, which helps us to fight against diseases. Yam is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, which helps us to eliminate free radicals that damages the cells, as well as reduce inflammation and provide pain relief. My lovelies, as we come closer, let me tell you a secret. You may or may not know. Okay, so first, do you know that twin or multiple births are somewhat linked to our king, due to the suggestion that yam contains phytoestrogens that stimulates multiple ovulation, consequently leading to multiple births? Ask your folks from the Yoruba lands. No wonder we have so many Taiwo and Kendes in that area. The second point is, I know women will love this a lot. Research has linked yam to promotion of collagen production and slowing signs of aging, making you age gracefully in health due to its antioxidant and vitamin C contents. Now that you know what is stopping you from eating yam, it's quite affordable, ranging from 1,500 naira and above per tuber. It can be cooked into anything like chips, pottage, pepper soup. See our video on yam pepper soup. Poundo, of course, like pounded yam. So sweeties, this is the much we can take on this royal crop majesty. Remember that something you are eating is indirectly causing positive or negative effect in your overall well-being. Till we come your way next time, this remains Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. Bye.